Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalammalecum guys, it's me Mustafa. Welcome to my YouTube channel Blend Art Studio. After nearly 4 months I'm back on YouTube. The reason behind that is I was much busy in my study schedule as well as in some household work. Also you can see the quality of camera is much improved compared to my other videos because in this video I am using iPhone 8 Plus. Okay, so inshallah from now onwards all my videos is going to be shoot from this phone. Okay, so let's come on to the content of this video. For I think rather than writing in ordinary calligraphy text, what I done is some modifications. I written Bismillahirrahmanirrahim text in the form of ship which looks similar like ship, and the entire AYAT-AL-KURSI in the shape of wave. I mean to say that it should look similar like wave. Yes, as you can see in this image. Also I hope you have watched that image in the YouTube thumbnail also. I improved the writing of calligraphy. I mean I modified the way of writing the calligraphy text. Okay, in this video I am writing AYAT-AL-KURSI. Okay, so guys, the materials or the tools which I had used for this artwork is this. Okay, you can take a screenshot or pause the video. Much easy way is to go in the description box, note it all, and just try it out. Okay guys, what I am doing, you also try it the same, or you can try in many different forms. Okay, as I can say, you are drawing one island and in the form of Bismillahirrahmanirrahim text, and in the form of wave you are writing entire surah or supplications, whatever may be. Okay, so guys, I hope this much talking is enough, so let's go on to the content of the video. In the name of Allah, Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Okay guys, so alhamdulillah, now I'm going to start the work. So as you can see, I have the frame which I purchased from outside. Now what I'm doing is I'm going to flip the image which is there inside the frame. Okay, for that I'm removing the sellotape and removing the holder, as you can, metal holders, by using a coin. And after doing this, now I'm going to take out the cardboard sheet, holder sheet, and now what I'm doing is cleaning somewhat glass, saying it, keeping it again, and flipping the image, the flower image, like this, and it looks like this after frame. Okay, so now what I think is I have to start the work. For that, what I'm doing is now I am writing Bismillahirrahmanirrahim text by taking the help of Google. Now I am seeing a Google image. Let's take a proper one image, this one. Okay, now I have selected that. This text I like the most of Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Okay, so alhamdulillah guys, now I'm going to start the work. First of all, I'm doing the margins and some measurements. Now by seeing the image of Google, I started writing the text of Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Just I'm tracing small text. Why? The reason why I'm tracing is I don't need any mistake while writing Bismillahirrahmanirrahim with marker. If I start writing directly with marker, it takes somewhat mistakes. That is the reason, and I always avoid mistakes whenever I am writing an Islamic script, because it need much respect and dedication while writing, much focus, neatness. Before writing this, you also need to be in wudu. Without wudu, this work isn't acceptable. Okay, this is the reason. So I have traced everything. Now what I'm doing is writing AYAT-AL-KURSI by using pencil in very light way. Okay, to avoid mistakes on this paper, because if once you did the mistake, it is impossible to be erased. Okay, now what I'm doing is taking a red marker and tracing on it. Okay, see guys, this work is too easy. You can also try it. Try this work and send on my Instagram handle. I'll see it, and definitely inshallah I will try to give a shout out or a gift giveaway if possible. Okay, now I'm using CD marker. Okay guys, pinpoint CD marker, and filling colors inside the ship style text Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Okay, see the entire area is being filled with the color. Okay, it taking a little bit time for watching. Actually, for you all guys, I didn't edited this video much speed. Okay, let it going to take some time. Okay, now so this entire work is little bit difficult because the sweat of our hand will also going to be absorbed in this paper, so you need to clean your hand with any cotton cloth and start working. Okay, avoid keeping your hand on the paper because it can smudge the ink as well as it can make paper little bit dirty. Okay, so you can see the work, alhamdulillah, going very fine, very cleanly. The main difficulty while making this work is center part, while writing the center part, because by writing the center part you can see my hand is going on the paper middle portion, and while writing with focus my hand is getting somewhat sweat, and it makes the difficulty, because if the sweat dirt go unstuck on the paper, it it looks the paper looks dirty, guys. I hope you have understand what I'm saying. Okay, the measurements is too important, guys. Don't think measurement is nothing in this work. Especially what I used to say is, while you are making any oil pastel painting, the our measurements perceptions, somewhat scientific term, not necessary, but in this calligraphy one, measurements everything is too complicated and too notable, because any mistake is not permissible over here, because you are writing a Islamic script. You need to be much focused, much proper, and seeing the lines, seeing the verses from how much to how much it going to be. First write it with the pencil and then start writing with the pen, pencil, ink. Previously I used to write with ink, but for especially this paper, frame paper, I didn't take an ink, because ink may gonna be smudge and not much easy to dry. Okay, you can see I'm using black marker. Okay, because entire ship in the red color not looks much good, that is the reason. And I not have much ink in the black color, that is the reason I written the text in the red. Okay, you need to be like this. Okay, for while work you need to always alternate your materials. Okay, don't stop your work because of any one thing. Okay, I didn't have the ink in my blue markers, so what I did is I started writing with the blue color ball pen. Okay, so guys, you can see I am writing Bismillah Rahman Rahim, or I am writing the Arabic text in the curved shape, in the wavy shape. So, that is the reason I am not using ink, because if I used ink, it have the risk of smudging and I can't throw this one. Okay, if any mistake going to be happen on the Islamic script, you can't throw this one. This is my suggestion. Okay, because this is not the joke. You need to give much respect as much possible. Okay, while writing this one, I was completely in the wuzu. Okay, and always you need to be, what I used to, the time when I used to work this after any prayer. Okay, whenever I used to pray any Fajr, Maghrib, any prayer, after that immediately I used to start this one. Okay, because I was in wuzu, and it is easier. It is not that I used to go specifically for wuzu and start writing this. After any prayer I used to start writing this. Okay, and after that I used to go on my household works, somewhat studies, and my busy schedule start running. Okay, at start I got much difficulties because I am not iPhone user, I am the Android user. I get many problems while working with this one, but alhamdulillah I have managed myself, and now I am back on YouTube. Okay, I will try to upload shorts also, guys, short videos, Instagram reel, Instagram post. Okay, in one day I am planning to post Instagram reels 4 guys, and YouTube shorts 6. Okay, because from a long time I wasn't on the YouTube. Many of my subscriber, I hope they think this channel is not working. I mean, the user of this channel is not uploading the videos, so I have to come or reach on my position back. So I will try my best, guys. Okay, so guys, let's come on to the content. First line I have written. Okay, the layer of the wave I'm going to color in the blue. And see guys, you can see one thing in the image, the glass of the frame I kept on the paper because I don't want the dirt of my hand to be there. Dirt means sweat while writing. You can observe while writing any in your copies, books, whenever you are writing, your hands start getting sweat. But in calligraphy, you are writing with two focus without you are moving your hand. Think how much sweat is going to come. Okay, the reason why I didn't kept any cloth, because I don't like to keep any cloth on like on this special papers like my Islamic script papers. Usually I never kept paper cloth on my all pastel paintings also. Okay, so now guys, what I think finally is to upload 6 YouTube shots of watercolors and sketching. Okay, because these two have much faster speed compared to oil pastel and calligraphy. Oil pastel, calligraphy, sketching, I'll try to upload full videos also. Okay, the reason to upload YouTube short videos is not to gain any subscriber, but to remind my old subscriber also that I am now on my position. Now I am on my position of uploading the videos, of making the painting, etc. Okay, and I will try my best, guys, to not to stop from today. Inshallah, inshallah. Okay, see guys, alhamdulillah, work is going fast and smooth. This is actually first video which I shooted from the iPhone 8 Plus. That is the reason, guys, I didn't taken from different types of angles, didn't paste much text while editing. Inshallah, I will try from next videos to shoot cinematic videos also while painting. Okay, see, yes, now I am tracing blue color CD marker on the borders on each verses, as it looks like wave, as like the splications are in the waveform, in the curve wave, which looks similar like wave. Okay, alhamdulillah, guys, now only the work which is left is to make border. I'm making border by using black marker. Okay, now one more stroke is left. Alhamdulillah, guys, done. Erasing is much tough, guys, so avoid dark marks while making it. Okay, so guys, this is the time. Alhamdulillah, I made the one. Now it is the time to keep this artwork inside the frame. Okay, now I am opening the holders of the cardboard, now lifting it one, removing the glass, cleaning it somewhat, keeping inside the frame, taking the image. Okay, right, taking the image, keeping inside the frame, and now keeping the cardboard holder inside it, locking it properly. 1 2 3 4 5 6. Alhamdulillah, guys, work done. Alhamdulillah, 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 guys, as you can see, the work finally done. See, what I said, I did that. Writing the text Bismillahirrahmanirrahim from seeing by taking the help of Google Images, and the entire surah which is written in the straight line or in the horizontal straight line. What I did is I written in the curve wavy shape. See, Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Entire AYAT-AL-KURSI are written over here. Okay, so guys, what I need to know from you all, guys, how much you understand, how much you like this work. Write in the comment section and suggest me some more things, what improvement I can do. The reason why I kept background as white, because I want to show the entire image. If I did any other color on the background, it takes somewhat difficulties for everyone to understand. Mostly what I used to do is I used to keep background brown whenever I used to write any Islamic script. Okay, because it looks like somewhat ancient and some respect from my side by giving different color to the paper, rather than what I am doing drawing on the other papers. I don't want to match this Islamic script with them. Okay, you can go and watch my other calligraphy, Islamic calligraphy videos on this channel. Okay, on this channel are much easy. Go in the description box and see all the Islamic script whatever I made. I did the background as the color brown. Okay, for this specially I kept white, the reason I just now explained. Okay, guys, I need one more thing, okay, from you all. Try this same or try something different and send on my Instagram ID. Okay, the one who is going to do from my side, he is going to get a shout out in the next video. Okay, and one more thing, write in the comment section, this paper is empty. What type of painting you want, you all guys need? Ship, scenery, house, desert, village, whatever you need, that I am going to do, sketching, etc. Okay, I need guys comment section, and inshallah from now onwards I will try my best. I am going to upload short videos, and also I am working on my book, special book, Pure and Applied Concept of Oil Pastel. I need much support, guys. Inshallah I will grow and I will help you all guys to become master in this medium, and the medium is oil pastel. Okay guys, so guys, I hope this is the time to end this video. Share this video, like this video, and also try this content. Okay, so guys, I am going, I need much support. Again and again I am saying. Okay, so Allah Hafiz, bye bye, take care.